how to use Excalidraw for system design. So first of all, you need to access the new design. All right, and familiarize yourself with the interface. You're gonna see the square, rectangle, circle, arrows to help you with your sketches. Right now, basic components for system design. You have the rectangle, as we said before, the arrows, and other stuff. Like if you want to just get to know more about these tools, go ahead and click the three bars at the top left, and then just go ahead and click right here the command palette. Right, you're gonna see the editor right here: undo, redo, zoom in, zoom out, reset. And you're gonna see right here the tools: rectangle, selection, arrow, ellipse, and you have line, draw, text, insert image, eraser, hand, frame tool, and text to diagram, and keep selected tool active after drawing, mermaid to Excalidraw. All right, and you have the organize the layout, which is the most important component in your system design. So first of all, you can just use grouping by control or command and G to keep related components together. You have the layers and the hierarchy. Place core components like server, databases at the center right here, with the user interface and external services around the edges. And you have the alignment and spacing. Let me open up a project by clicking open right here, and let me open like this project. Let's have an example. Right, use the alignment option to arrange components evenly, like improve readability if you are working on a sketch. All right, and the details to the components, you can add shapes for detail. Like for clarity, you can use different shapes, like the rectangle, the diamond right here, and then you can use colors like red, green, and you can use icons and emojis if you want to. All right, so if you don't have it right here in the Excalidraw, you can just go ahead to the emoji and then just copy, right? And then copy the emojis from here. I'm gonna just go ahead to the get emoji, right? And let's say, for example, I want to copy this one, okay? And now as you can see, I copied it, and now I can paste it somewhere right here. All right, so as you can see right here, I can add this emoji. So the collaboration features, there's during your design, you can collaborate with other users. Click the three bars at the top left and just go ahead and click live collaboration, and you can just go ahead and start collaborating with other users in Excalidraw because you want to share your project, your sketches, whatever it might be. Lastly, you have the exporting and the sharing. Click the three bars at the top left. You can save it as a project, or you can to get back to it later, or export the image as PNG, SVG with only selected or background if you want background, or dark mode, or without the dark mode, and then save it to your as a photo to your device. Okay, and basically, if you want tips for effective system diagrams, keep it simple. Start with a high-level overview and drill down only if necessary. Focus on key components. Avoid overloading the diagram. Iterate with feedback. Use team feedback to refine the system if you're working with other people, to refine the system design for accuracy and clarity. Additional tips only, you can use the three bars at the top left to scroll a little bit down right here. You can use the theme if you want more clarity, if you want to use the bright mode or the dark mode, and basically the keyboard shortcuts. If you want to speed up your design process, you can use the Excalidraw's shortcuts like Control and G for grouping, and Alt plus drag to duplicate. Excalidraw is excellent for quick collaborative sketches of system design and system designs, whether you're working on solo or with a team. It can be valuable tool to capture and iterate and architecture ideas. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.